Welcome to the moving floor technology tutorial. Last year, in 2020, the Springer Verlag in Germany published a German handbook about moving floor technology. And I would like to summarize for you the key results, the recommendations, and the characteristics of moving floors just by answering to the frequently asked questions, such as how does such a moving floor work? Why was it invented? Which limits do moving floor trailers have? What are the alternatives to such a moving floor trailer? How is it built up? Which forces do we have? Where does the hydraulic force come from? Which cylinders do we use? How do we set speed? Which kind of slats do we use? Can we make a dryer out of it? Does friction help? Can we use it in stationary applications? Are there limits? Can we use it in product item logistics? Are there alternatives? How do we manufacture slats and moving floors? How do we maintain them? How do we repair them? What is the CapEx and the OpEx of such a moving floor? Please find more indications in the comments of this video underneath the video.